So now I'm going to show you around our shared kitchen areas which come with our two apartments. This kitchen caters to an apartment of 4 bedrooms. We have bedrooms of 5 and 6 as well, so obviously the space over here and the kitchen space would be a lot bigger. You get double of your ovens, get double sinks, and you get a lot more storage space in the kitchens for 5 and 6 bedrooms. As you can see, you've got lots and lots of cupboard space. You've got enough cupboard for you and your friends. You've got enough cupboards for just all your bits and bobs. And as always, you can see here you've got a microwave which also doubles as an oven and a grill. And as always, you've just got the normal convection oven there for when you want to do your cooking. A 4-ring hob space with really, really strong extraction. It sucks any of the really good cooking smells away if you obviously don't want it smelling of your nice spicy curry that you've had for tea. Moving on over, you also get a full-size double American style fridge freezer. So as you can see, really, really big space there. This area over here would be where you have your seating area, so your sofas, and then your full-size flat screen TV. As you know, we're not fully there yet, so these soft furnishings will come at a later date, but this is where you'll have your comfortable area. And as always, you've got dining seating. So this one is positioned as an island, so it's almost like a bit of like a breakfast bar. But in some of our flats, we also have really big dining tables as well. They're all slightly unique, so they're all slightly different. But as you can see, it's an amazing big space, and this one caters for 4, so plenty of space for your flatmates and also your friends to come around and enjoy the space.